Parts Pro, today with 2018 Ford Ranger, stock number 6886. Surrounding the 6 2015 and the Ford 2022. It is a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder 2-litre diesel engine, backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder 2-litre diesel engine. Left front headlight needs polish, left front guard, left front 17-inch factory American tyre, front bonnet no dents, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory American tyre, right rear 17-inch factory American tyre, right rear right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 17-inch factory American tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, your front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,